Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 1, we explored the basics of Thailand's green, red, and yellow curries. Now in part 2, we'll go deeper, uncovering how herbs, chilies, and cooking styles shape each curry's character, and how you can choose or cook the one that truly fits your taste. Red curry is also known for being incredibly adaptable, making it a home-cooked favorite. Because the spice level is so moderate, the curry perfectly complements almost any protein or vegetable you add. Consider these key flavor attributes. Earthiness. This comes from the pairing of the dried chilies and spices like cumin and coriander seed that anchor the paste. Aromatic depth. The paste is cooked in coconut cream until the oil separates, a process called breaking the coconut oil, which builds a strong, savory base. Versatility. It pairs exceptionally well with a wide range of ingredients including chicken, beef, shrimp, or tofu. If you are looking for a curry that delivers a hearty, deeply savory flavor with a comforting amount of warmth, the rich, medium spicy red Thai curry is always a solid choice. It is the gold standard for versatility. Yellow Thai curry, mild, creamy, and curry powder rich, Gang curry. If your goal is to enjoy the rich flavors of Thai cuisine without the fiery intensity, yellow Thai curry, or Gang curry, is your perfect match. This curry is known for being the mildest and often the sweetest of the three main types. It offers a comforting warmth instead of a searing heat. Many people describe yellow curry as the great bridge between Thai and Indian-inspired flavors. This distinction makes it an incredibly popular introduction to Thai flavors for many diners. The turmeric twist, color and flavor. What gives yellow curry its signature sunny color and distinct flavor? The answer is turmeric. This ground spice is the essential ingredient that differentiates Gang curry from its spicy siblings. Turmeric plays a powerful dual role in this curry. Color agent. Turmeric provides the recognizable deep, golden yellow hue. It naturally dyes the coconut milk and paste, giving the dish its appetizing appearance. Flavor contributor. Turmeric adds an earthy, slightly bitter undertone. This earthiness helps balance the richness of the coconut milk and the sweetness often added to the dish. In addition to turmeric, yellow curry paste frequently includes Thai curry powder, phong curry, which is an ingredient with historical ties to Indian cuisine. This powder often contains spices like dried coriander, cumin, and fenugreek. These spices give yellow curry a complex, savory depth that is less pungent than the raw chili heat of red or green curries. Because it relies on these milder spices rather than a large volume of fresh or dried chilies, yellow curry consistently ranks as the least spicy choice. If you are sensitive to strong chili heat, this is the bowl you want to order. When you look at a bowl of yellow curry, you will often find hearty, starchy ingredients included in the mix. Yellow curry is the ideal vehicle for ingredients that absorb the sauce well, such as potatoes. Small cubes of soft potato are a traditional addition. They absorb the sweet, mild curry sauce beautifully and contribute to the hearty texture. Onions. Sliced or diced onions melt into the sauce, adding natural sweetness and body. Carrots. These root vegetables add color and a mild sweetness. The overall flavor profile balances the earthy notes of turmeric with a prominent sweetness from the coconut, often enhanced by palm sugar. This sweetness is why yellow curry is the perfect choice for those who avoid spice entirely. It is comforting, rich, and truly creamy, offering a gentle warmth instead of a strong burn. It allows you to appreciate all the foundational Thai aromatics without the overwhelming chili factor. Choosing your perfect Thai curry, a quick guide. Select the flavor profile you crave. Beyond the heat, each curry offers a distinct taste experience. Are you looking for something herbaceous and fresh, smoky and savory, or sweet and earthy? Let the defining flavors steer your decision. For fresh and aromatic, high herbaceous quality, green curry is intensely fragrant. Its flavor is bright, thanks to the fresh kaffir lime, basil, and lemongrass. You should pick this if you enjoy a very bold, clean and herbal taste. For rich and savory, high umami and depth. Red curry offers the richest, most complex savory notes. The smoky nature of the dried chilies and the fat-heavy paste make it deeply satisfying and robust. It is the best choice for a hearty, comforting bowl. For sweet and earthy, high turmeric and sweetness. Yellow curry is the sweetest and most grounded in flavor. The turmeric gives it an earthy foundation, making it feel slightly heavier and richer due to higher sweetness and coconut cream content. Perfect pairings for each curry. Thai curries work well with many different proteins and vegetables, but some pairings are traditional and truly enhance the dining experience. Considering how rich or light the curry is helps you choose the best additions. Curry type. Best paired protein. Ideal vegetables and extras. Why this pairing works. Green curry. Chicken, white fish, or tofu. Thai eggplant, bamboo shoots and basil. The sharp, fresh spice cuts through delicate white proteins and rich coconut cream well. Red curry. Beef, duck, or pork. Bell peppers, pineapple chunks, for acidity and green beans. The smoky, complex flavor supports richer, red meats and robust vegetables beautifully. Yellow curry. Chicken or large shrimp. Potatoes, carrots and white onions. The mild, sweet, and creamy sauce is perfect for starchy vegetables and tender proteins. When you are placing your order, remember that green curry is the brightest and hottest. Red curry is the smoky, savory middle ground. Yellow curry is the mildest, sweetest and most creamy. Use this knowledge to confidently choose your perfect bowl of Thai curry every time. Understanding the difference between Thai curries means knowing their essential characteristics. Remember this simple breakdown. Green curry is the freshest and hottest option. Red curry provides savory balance and medium heat. Yellow curry is the mildest choice, known for its creamy sweetness and turmeric presence. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.